If your Windows PC has been running for months without a cleanup, there are 3 hidden folders that may be holding temporary files and no longer need them. In the next minute, I'll show you how to safely clean them using built-in Windows tools. No downloads or paid software required. Windows creates temporary files all the time. Some help speed things up while you are using your PC. Others are left behind after updates, app installations, or software crashes. Most of the time, Windows eventually cleans them up, but not always. Today, we'll look at the 3 locations you can safely check and clean when you need to free up some storage. Now, let's start with the Prefetch folder. Press Windows R, type Prefetch, press Enter. If Windows asks for administrator permissions, click Continue. Prefetch stores information that helps Windows launch frequently used applications faster. Over time, some older entries may no longer be useful, especially after installing programs. Press Ctrl A, select all the files Windows allows you to remove. Now press Shift Delete to permanently delete. Click on Yes. If Windows says a file in use, simply skip it. Those files are currently being used by operating system. Now let's clear your personal temporary files. Press Windows R again, type %temp%, press Enter. This folder stores temporary files created by applications during normal use. Many programs remove these files automatically, but some leaves them behind. Press Ctrl A to select everything. Press Shift Delete to permanently delete them. Click on Yes. If Windows tells you a file is currently in use, skip it and continue. That's completely normal. There is one more location. Press Windows R. Now type %windir%\temp. Hit Enter. Now approve the administrator prompt. Again, press Ctrl A to select all the files Windows allows you to remove. Press Shift Delete to permanently delete them. Click on Yes. Skip anything that's currently in use. These temporary system files can also build up over time. Before we finish, here is one extra tip. Open Start menu, search for command prompt. Right-click on it, select Run as Administrator. Give your permission, click Yes, type ipconfig/+DNS, then press Enter. This clears the local DNS cache. It won't free up storage space, but it can resolve certain website connection issues after DNS record change. It's quick, safe, and takes only a few seconds. Will this suddenly make every PC dramatically faster? Probably not. But it can free up storage, remove unnecessary temporary files, and help keep Windows organized over time. If your computer still feels slow afterward, the cause is likely something else, such as startup apps, limited memory, or an aging hard drive. How much storage did you recover? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoy practical Windows tips and Microsoft updates without jargon, consider subscribing. Sektor. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.